Hello guys. So, a lot of you guys have been saying that you guys actually get issues having this sound or a similar one. And I'm going to actually explain here real quick what's going on. So, if you actually look from above, notice how that's going back and forth? That is actually due to this rod right here. This rod goes all the way over to this other side, inside of the gearbox. That piece is actually bent just enough to throw that whole thing off, and you are wobbling your gears back and forth. So, basically, you go to Traxxas, buy a piece, and have a good day. Hope that helps. Peace.